Have you ever tried to declutter with music playing and you just get so distracted and cannot concentrate? Or on the flip side, have you ever tried to declutter when it's completely silent and have such a hard time focusing? In today's video, I'm going to share with you what you can do to fix it. Hi, I'm Flora, your minimalism mentor and simplification coach for over 27 years. Many years ago, I was having a conversation with a big group of people who all identify as having either ADD, ADHD, or some type of neurodivergence. And we got to talking about music playing when we're doing stuff. And it was pretty much split in the middle, with people saying that, no, it's got to be completely quiet for me to focus. And on the flip side of that, the other side was saying, no, I absolutely need music. And one of the participants actually said, and this was so great, and I absolutely loved it, but she said, I have squirrels in my brain. And if I play music, then the squirrels are going to be occupied so that I could focus on what I'm doing. But if there's no music playing, then the squirrels are all up in my head and I can't focus on anything. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's so me. When I have music playing, my squirrels, they're jamming, it's a party, and I can't focus on anything. But if it's really quiet, then the squirrels fall asleep and then I can focus. So those of you who are watching this who are neurodivergent, I want you to test this out and play around with when you feel the most productive and when you feel the most focused. Is it when you have music playing or something playing in the background, or is it when it is completely silent? Now, identifying and knowing this one thing can and will help you be more productive, especially when you're decluttering or in any aspect of life, because then you can use it to work to your advantage. Share with me in the comments if you are someone that needs to have music playing or something playing in the background, or if you're someone who, like myself, likes it very quiet in order to stay productive. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know every single time a video is released. For more support and resources and upcoming live events, click the links below.